Nothing compares to the taste and aroma of a traditional bibingka. Made the traditional way, no oven. It turned out to be easy. Budo. Ay, ay, ay. Manang. Despite an incident, it's a success. Join me here at the garden for some tips, learning, and fun on how to make this malagkit bibingka. Sorry for that. Welcome to Channel 1. Magandang hapon. I'm trying here to duplicate the traditional bibingkang malagkit without using a modern oven. I have here a charcoal orno. Taranta ako, kaya I'm not sure whether this will be successful or not. I've done this several times with success using a modern oven, but I just want to duplicate my various way of making it. Join me and let's see if this becomes a success. Just 3 ingredients: malagkit rice, some water, coconut milk, and sugar. If you're using a freshly harvested malagkit, less water. But if you're using, let's say, malagkit sourced from the Asian store, more water. Just like this. And into the flame. We just have to parboil the rice, and while waiting for it to dry or to parboil, let's prepare the banana leaf lining. This will give more aroma, besides acting as non-adhesive layer. Ganito. Hindi kailangang doblehin. 1 layer is enough. And we'll cook. Ihalo natin. Parang BIKO ang malagkit. The list of the suggested measurements in the description box. But ideally, 2 cups of concentrated coconut milk. And at most, it will be very sweet, 2 cups of brown sugar as well. If you're enjoying this video and you find its instructional value, I invite you to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you won't miss the upcoming upload. And if you're interested also in places, events, and cultures like this, the most beautiful village in Europe that the Chinese copied it, visit my barrio, my mundo. Let's go back to our cuisine. Just dissolve the sugar, and once it begins to boil, or even before that, we can add the parboiled malagkit. Hindi luto ito, kaya dito na natin itutuloy ang pagluluto. At hindi kailangan ding lutuin kasi ilagay pa natin mamaya sa orno at doon na siya kumpletong maluto. It will completely cook in the oven. So this is just phase 2 of the cooking. Just like cooking BIKO. Dahan-dahan ang halo. I'll give you some tips and I explain why. Listen closely. When using all the malagkit rice, it's easy to break them. So I'm very gentle with stirring it.
Nalutang!
Ampay manang. Kita man danumak mana kasan namaga?
Haan! Ikiwar mula ang taba
Okay.
alay ayam,
Yeah.
apoy na. Tanuhan o na nga kwa tano evaporate na
Yeah.
kwa na di.
And Manang Grace is saying at very low flame.
Yeah. And then mix it.
Linayan milaan ko na.
Oo,
I don't know
yun.
the Tagalog word.
In-inin.
No, malimanang.
In?
I don't know. Basta kasi dito yun.
Tapos medyo pamagaam labas
Yeah.
tano kwa.
And
Sabon
then,
to'y kabel di
Ejay orno.
orno di oven.
Yes. And that's exactly what we're doing now, transferring it to the earthen oven. And flatten the top to keep the toppings later. The, ano tawag doon? Ladak ko naming Ilocano. the caramelized or the curdled coconut from flowing off the surface. Now, into the oven. This is now the third phase in the cooking process, but keep the flames or the fire low, both on top and at the bottom. Meanwhile, let's prepare the mixture of coconut milk and sugar to serve as the toppings. For the toppings, it's advisable to use 2 cups of coconut cream. I'm using here the thin or light milk, so it's not very thick. I didn't get that curdled effect. See, very thin. And once it reaches this consistency, and this is around after 20 minutes, let's pour it on top of the bibingka. At this time, the embers or the flame below should have been extinguished, or at very low. Now the heat source on top should be now in maximum, while below, nothing to very low. It's time to remove it from the heat source from your stove when we reach this consistency. Let's bring it to my Manang Grace's side and have it cool down before serving it. Masaya, masaya.
Pumunta kasi Rola.
There.
At na mabaawan.
Ano? Sir. Just only the 1/4.
Don't do this. I'm too excited kaya mainit pa siya. It's still hot and I wanted to serve it. I wanted to taste it. See what happened. Hindi pa, it disintegrates. Ang sama.
Kusap man lang dito.
To be honest, napaso pa ako rito. I burnt my tongue. So don't do this. Wait for it to adequately cool. Mas masarap pa siya even the next day.
And
Naksut. Okay man, thank you.
Take 2. It's second day. Look, it's looks better. Texture is better. And it presents better. Thank you for joining me here today on Channel 1. Gawa na rin, you can duplicate the traditional bibingka at home. No oven. I've proven. Madali lang. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon so that you won't miss our next interesting upload here on Channel 1, where we grow, cook, and share. Your Kuya and Uncle here in Holland, Romelo.